What is going on, my fine people? Praline 1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan slated for release September 13th. But before we get into that review, want to take a quick look at some more upcoming Jordan releases. Next up, we got the Jordan Airship and Corporate collab releasing September 15th. Now, both these releases are available on Praline1721.com, shipping out early, as well as other upcoming fall and winter releases for 2023. And I also have full reviews on both these releases. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the main attraction. Starting off with the box. As you can see, we got the Retro 1 box, inverted colors, all red with the black Nike branding. Taking a look at the label, Women's Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, Praline white in sale, size 12 we're going to be taking a look at, which is a 10.5 in men. Take the lid off. Got some nice graphic details right here on top of the paper. Flip this up. Let's go ahead and get into this shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Air Jordan 1 High OG Praline. Now, these do come with one added accessory. We have the spare pair of laces dressed in the sail colorway, which is just regular standard laces, which in my opinion, if I'm a guy picking these up, will definitely be the way to go, instead of keeping the standard ribbon lace that comes factory. And now that we have the accessories out of the way, let's go ahead and take a deeper dive into the shoe. Starting off with the top down view of the shoe, got the satin sock liner, sail tongue, sail tab. As stated earlier, got the ribbon laces, which definitely would need to go if you are a guy. All white leather insert sitting inside of the Praline leather toe box. And the leather on these is definitely decent, very reminiscent of the Women OG Starfish that released not too long ago. Now going around to the lateral side of the shoe, got the smooth all white leather mid panel sitting behind the Praline Nike sign with the tumbled leather. Speaking of that women exclusive Starfish, as you can see, we have this thread sitting right here on the side panel, which is the same detail that was used on the women exclusive Starfish. Going around to the back of the shoe, got the embossed Air Jordan Wing logo in all white, sail midsole sitting on top of the Praline outsole. Now going around to the medial side of the shoe, same exact way as the lateral, nothing different there. Taking a last quick 360, and that about wraps it up for this quick look at the Air Jordan Retro 1 Praline. If you are interested in this pair and you want to pick it up for yourself or your lady, they are shipping out early on Praline1721.com. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Both handles are the same, Praline1721. And into the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.